Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this cactus princess look. I've seen a couple people doing these kind of over the summer, and I thought that I would throw my hat into the ring on how to be a cactus princess with my little prickers and my flowers and everything like that. This look is super easy. I thought it would be much more difficult than it was. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Oh, and also it's the 22nd, so this is day 22 of I almost said 22 days of Halloween, 31 days of Halloween. So we are in the home stretch to Halloween. So if you guys want to see my other looks, make sure you check out my playlist, check the cards throughout the video and the end screen at the end of the video. And let's get started. So I am just starting with a light green base. I'm doing this kind of rough just because this paint's going to take a couple layers as it's so light and not extreme. I mean, it's really pigmented, but my brush is really wet. This is a different brush, so I didn't know how much water it retains, which is apparently a lot. So this will take a few layers. So just do everything with light green first. And go over your brows if you want. It's not real important for me to go over my brows because of the way I'm going to do them with the look, but yeah. I saw some people doing like cactus looks over the summer, and I thought it would be a really good idea for a Halloween costume. But also, it's something different, but I wanted to do like a cactus princess look rather than just a regular cactus. So it's a little bit more feminine, a little more, you know, human-like, I guess you could say. Now that we have our base down, I'm going to take a darker green and start adding the little veins. I'm going to do this like all the way through the eye, down one straight line. And they don't have to be like perfectly straight, but you want them to be like one full line. You don't want a bunch of little segments. And they can touch, they can come together. Just make them kind of curvy. So just let them follow the contours of your face. To help with the eyes just a little bit, I'm going to take this Tokidoki shadow in Soya and pack this on the lids just so they're a little greener and stand out a bit from the rest of the look, because we want it to still look like we have an eyelid. This isn't an illusion type look. Also take some of this along the bottom, but more of like a character. So think cartoony when you're doing this. For a little bit more sparkle and flourish, I'm going to add some squash pigment. That's the color, not the name. And it's a little glittery, so pop that in, give us a little highlight. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's definitely picking up in person. Now I'm going to throw on some winged liner. Okay, now I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara. Throw on some lashes. These are Ardell's, I think, and they are the 103s. I think these are a double up lash, so I'm going to throw these on and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to throw on a dark green lipstick. So I am adding some texture to this look by taking some lash glue and some pipe cleaners that are yellow. You can use white ones too, and creating little thorns or prickers or whatever you want to call them to be like the cactus little needles. So I'm just gluing these down and getting yellow fluff everywhere. So you can kind of just pick where you want them. I'm just kind of doing them in this area on my cheeks so that the wig doesn't interfere with them. I tried using spirit gum, but because they're so hairy, it doesn't want to stick. So I think lash glue is working just a bit better. So I put on my pink wig that I styled a long time ago, but I've kind of brushed it out since then. So just kind of wavy, crimpy sort of look. But I thought it was a good pink for a cactus flower kind of color. And now I'm just gonna throw in a couple flowers here on the side so that it looks like I am a cactus that is blossoming. So throw these in like so, and that's it. This is a really simple cactus face paint kind of look. If you guys liked it, make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you leave me a like and a comment, and I will see you guys tomorrow.